So hi friends, today we are going to see about the continuous statement. So continuous statement is a loop control statement. It is used to skip the current iteration of a loop. So when encountered, control jumps to the next iteration of the loop. It is commonly used for with for while and do while loops by bypass specific cases. So the continuous statement is a loop control statement which is used in the programming language such as C, C++, Java, and Python. It is used to skip the remaining statements in the current iteration of a loop and immediately moves to the next iteration. So when the continuous statement is encountered inside a loop, the program does not terminate a loop. Instead of it just skips the current iteration and continues the execution for the loop from the beginning to the next iteration. It skips the current iteration. So it is very useful when certain condition requires some loop iterations to the bit which to be ignored while allowing the loops to continue running. So the key points is it is used to inside which is used in the for loop, while loop, and do while loop, and it also skips the remaining code of the current iteration, and it continues with the next iteration of the loop, and it is also helps to avoid unnecessary processing for specific conditions. So an example, in a classroom, we just counting the attendance. We have to notify the students' attendance. So we are just continue with the students' attendance. While we taking the attendance, we just call by name simultaneously. And if the one person is absent, we just skip that person and we just move on to the next person. The same concept is applied to the continuous statement. So the teacher skips the making the attendance for that student and continues with the next student. This behavior is similar to the continuous statement in the program. So it is commonly used for while and do while loop by specifics. So this is the syntax for continuous statement. It can be placed inside any loop, for loop or while loop or do while loop. So once it's the execution, once it's executed, the rest of the loop body is skipped and the condition is re-evaluated. So this is the syntax for the continuous statement. So here, as usual, we have to put the header file. And next statement is a void main statement, and then we open bracket. So next concept, we are just putting the for loop, that is int equal to I equal to 1, which is I is greater than equal to 5 and I plus plus. So here, if I is equal to 3, by using the continuous statement, we just printing the I. And next is return 0 statement. So here next we are just putting that hash include studio.h int main, that is int is I equal to 1. So here in while statement we are just skipping the using if statement, that in here we just representing that if equal to I equal to 3, then we are just putting the code is I plus plus, then the continuous statement. So here the output will be, we are just protected when I is equal to 1. Next statement is while loop, it will go to the 1. So 1 is greater than or equal to 5. So the condition is true. So the condition is true, then the 1 will be executed. And next again the iteration will be passed. Again the iteration will be passed. Yes, again the iteration will be, the condition next will be 2. So again the condition will be passed. Yes, the condition is true. This 2 is passed. Then after that by increment operator, it will be added by +1 +1. So next is 3. So again the 3 will be coming to the if statement. So 3 equal to 3. Yes, is 3 is equal to equal to. So again the condition is checked. Yes, the condition is checked and it is true. So it is skipped here. So the condition is true. So it is going to not display here. So next statement is continuous statement. So the output is 1, 2, 4, 5. It will be to the 3. So this is the do while loop in while loop, and this is the do while loop statement. So here int is equal to I equal to 1. So do while do while. So I plus plus will be will be used as the incremented. So this is the main key points that which continues to skip remaining codes in the loop for the current iteration, and it is useful when certain conditions require skipping logic and can improve the readability by avoiding the nested if statement. So it skips the invalid input and skips the special condition in calculation and optimize the loop for performance. Thank you.